Janitan Didumo, and I'm gonna unbox with a MacBook Air with M2 chips. Everyone, we're back to the unboxing video. So this is the MacBook Air, and this is the AirPods. It's totally free.
Yeah, totally free. So,
I want to
open. Which one are we gonna open first? The AirPods?
Yeah.
Okay, wait for me. I'll just get the scissor. Open.
Okay, now we already opened the AirPods.
Okay.
So, it's made from Apple, but stuck.
Let's see. Here.
Okay, let me get this.
Hard. Wait.
Okay, guys, now we're back, and this is what the AirPods look like.
Is it cool?
Yeah. But how to open this?
Later, we'll open that later.
Okay, now to open the...
Now you are gonna open the MacBook Air.
What's this?
It's just the...
Instructions.
See? There's your AirPods.
Tray.
Then, it's time to open the MacBook Air.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, we're back.
Here. No, just pull it.
Okay.
No na, ako na. Like this. Is it hard?
And
Okay. What?
MacBook Air.
Let's see.
MacBook
Air. Yay. And this is what color?
Gray.
Gray?
Yeah.
It says here.
Okay. Okay, guys. I kind of don't know how to open this box.
Wait, I'll open it. Wait. Hey, here, Nathan. Pull this.
Okay, we're back.
This one, yeah.
Okay.
Pull that. Whoa. Okay. Wait lang. Here. Okay. Here's your MacBook.
MacBook. Okay.
Wait.
What?
No. It's here. Open it here. There. Wait. I'll...
Turn it outside.
Wait.
Okay. Be careful.
Okay. Wait. Oh. So thin.
Hooray!
Wait. Here's what it looks like. And here's the what? The packaging.
Yeah. What is that?
The battery.
Air. So that's okay.
Wait. And I think here's... Wait lang, be. Yeah. Okay.
This one.
There.
Apple.
Oh. Then, open it now. Okay. That's how it look like.
Yeah, I want to use
MacBook
it.
Air.
I want to use it.
Yeah, wait lang. Look.
Yeah. Loading. I want to use my password.
What's password?
Later
now.
Like my password
So,
for
let's
my phone.
check this first.
Goodness, yeah.
That's it. Get started. Hola. Okay.
Bye,
That's
everyone.
it.
That's it. And please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.